For day 7 of the Wine Advent calendar, I figured it would be a good time to talk about Syrah and Shiraz. Syrah and Shiraz. Syrah and Shiraz, they are the same grape. Welcome back. We're talking about big red wines today in Syrah and Shiraz. Syrah is what the grape is known as in most parts of the world, and Shiraz is what the grape is known as in Australia. Now, I've done a number of videos on Syrah this year, and I think there's a reason for that. It's because I tend to really enjoy the wines and think that they are underrated and undercovered. So whether that is pure, American Syrah from California or Washington, whether it's a Syrah that is pure from the northern Rhone in France or part of the GSM blend in the southern Rhone, that's Grenache, Syrah, and Mourvedre. I just love these wines, and I feel like if you're a Cabernet Sauvignon drinker, you need to branch out to drink some Syrah because it definitely appeals to that person. They live in the black and blue fruit zone, blackberries, blueberries, the good wines, I mean some plums too. The good wines have like chocolate notes, and a lot of Syrah has a characteristic note of a little black pepper. I find that I get that black pepper note at the end of the tasting experience. But when you think about those characteristics and the complexities that these wines offer, I think it's something that is super under the radar, and a lot of Syrah wines are really affordable for the quality that you get. Whether that's, I love the Charles Smith Boom Boom Syrah. That's going to be like $15. That's going to appeal to everybody. I've gotten a few folks in my office have made reference to really enjoying that wine, and they're beginners kind of getting started on their wine journey. And then you can go up the ladder to Tensley Syrah from Joey Tensley in California, whether that's his base, like I guess it's the North Coast Syrah, or the Colson Canyon Syrah. Those wines are just stupendous. And if you want a little bit more of a French feel to your Syrah wines, maybe go to the Southern Rhone and get a wine from Gigondas or Vaccarat. And these wines are between $25 and $40. Oh, a lot of them, not all of them, but a lot of them are between $25 and $40. They can age for 10 years if you want to lay them down, or they're just, a lot of the more recent vintages are just they're easy to drink right now. So get out there, explore Syrah. I recently did a Syrah video. I think it was my top 5 American Syrah videos. I'm going to put that up here because I feel like you might get some value out of that. And I'll see you tomorrow.